Dear viewers, today we are going to learn abacus by using only our hand fingers. Okay, already we have seen the values of each finger in the right hand and each finger in the left hand. Okay, so by using only our left hand fingers and right hand fingers, by how to put calculation with single digit number and double digit numbers. Let me start, and once again I repeat the values of finger, each finger in right hand and each finger in our left hand. Okay, let me see. First we have total number, that is 99 numbers in our both hand. Okay, how is it possible? We can see that this is our right hand. Okay, listen here, this is our right hand. Okay, only 5 fingers. Okay, and first, that is all these 4 fingers, each values 1. Okay, so all 4 fingers, each finger values 1 and our thumb finger values 5. Okay, so how to show number 1? Okay, show your 1 forefinger. This is value 1. Okay, and this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, and this is your thumb finger, each thumb finger values 5. So number 5 means you have to show you only your thumb finger. So this is 5. Okay, and again this is 6. Okay, 5 plus 1, 6 and 7. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7, and this is 8, 5 plus 8. Okay, and 5 plus 4, that is total 9. Okay, this hand, right hand, has 9 numbers. Okay, and this is your left hand. Okay, each finger values 10. Okay, this hand shows you 1's place value and this hand shows your 10's place value. So each finger values 10. Okay, let me see how to count by using your left hand. Okay, so 1, that means each finger values 10. So this is 10. Okay, and 20, this is 30, this is 40, again this is 50. Your thumb finger values, that is 50. Okay, similar to that of our right hand finger, which shows 5. So our left hand shows, this means that is 50. Okay, followed by 60, 70, 80 and 90. So this hand shows 90 and this hand shows 9. So total number, that is 90 plus 9, 99, and all close your fingers, this is your 0 level. There is no number at all. Okay, let me see how to use and how to calculate simple addition by using your fingers. And let me know that is complement number or friend numbers. Okay, let me revise. That is friend numbers of this topic is, that is finger abacus, only by using your fingers, that is finger abacus. Okay, and let me discuss here, that is, what is this number? This is 10. This number, what is this? 10. So friend numbers of 10. Okay, let me by know simple technique. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, for 1, that is 9 is the friend number of 10 and 8 is the friend number of 2 and 7 is the friend number of 3. Similar to that of, we have to write like this. Okay, 5, that is 5. Okay, and 4, 3, okay, 2 and 1. Okay, so friend number, can you understand that is which number to be added with 2 and makes it as answer 10, that is its friend number. Okay, let me revise. That is, you have to say the answer. I am going to write in this manner, that is 8, 2, 3, 5, 4. Okay. So you have to say the friend number of 8. Okay, friend number of 8 means you have to write the answer 2, because 8 plus 2, that gives 10. Okay, so 2, friend number of 2, that is 8. Okay, and friend number of 3, that means 7, and friend number of 5, that is 5, and friend number of 4, that is 6. Can you understand now? Okay, so this is a friend number or complement number concept. Okay, because you must know this friend number because of this addition of plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 by using your fingers. While you adding numbers by using your fingers, you have to know the formulas, simple technique and simple formulas, that formulas related to this friend numbers. So you should know, that is how it's it formed. Okay, so 8 plus 2 only, that is 10, and 2 plus 8 only, that is 10, and 4 plus 6 only, that is 10. Okay, can you understand this? So let me start our addition, single digit addition, by using our only fingers. Okay, let me see. Okay, first you have to try the numbers by showing your finger. Okay, so first, that is 9, okay, and that is 12, okay, and 8, 5, 20, okay, 5 example sums. Okay, shall we start? How to show this number? First number, that is 9. So ones place number only it has one digit. So use your right finger. Okay, that is 9 means, okay, is it correct now? How to do this? Open your hand, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and plus 5, that is 9. Okay, otherwise that is, it values 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So to improve your calculation and that is to bring a training to children, so you say the number aloud 9 and try to practice them to show their hand fingers and regarding to that number. Okay, it's helpful to teachers or abacus trainee people. Okay, you have to say aloud the number and to train the children to show the number only by using their fingers. And hand coordination is very useful for children, that is kids, that is age level 4 to 6. It improves your logical sense and hand eye coordination also. Okay, so this is a, so that only this is a that must very useful technique for children learning, kids learning. It's a very useful technique, and by using only fingers, because this improves your hand coordination and it improves your writing skill also, because you have to fold your hands and show the number. That improves your, that is cognitive development and muscle coordination, and improves your writing skill also. I hope you that. So that is next number, that is 12. Okay, this means that is 2-digit number. Okay, that is, this is ones place and this is tens place. So tens place you have to show your finger, that is 1. Okay, that is 10. Okay, so now I use my left hand. Can you understand? Listen here, that is for 12. Okay, you have to use your hand, that is 1, and this is ones place 2. So you have to show your 2 fingers. So this is 12. Can you understand, children? That is 1 in tens place and 2 in ones place. So 1, 2, that result is 12. Okay, next number, that is 8. This is a single digit number, children. So you have to use only your right hand. Okay, first move forward your 5th number, that is your thumb finger. this is 5, and that is 8. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is 8. Okay. Okay children, and next we move on to our next number, that is 5. So how to show this children? Show your finger. Yes, this is 5. So it's correct. Okay, and next that is 20. Okay, 20. So this is the 2 tens. That means this is ones place and this is tens place. So you have to show your tens finger, that is show your left hand finger, that is 1, 10, and this is for 2, that is 20. So here 0. Okay, no finger at all here. So 2, 0. This is your 0 level. You know this. So 2, 0. So that is 20. Okay, can you understand? Okay, let me move other examples. So next number, that is similar to that of 30, 18, 29, 15 and 18. Okay, let me do this. Okay, can you join with me? Okay, that number is 30. So all these number, that it has 2 digits. That is means in all these numbers there's ones place and tens place. So the first number of each number, you have to show your left hand finger for tens place. Okay children. So now how do you show? That is 3 for 30. So move your finger 3 in your left hand. So 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. So 30 and 3, 0. So no finger at all here in your right hand. So this is 30. Okay. And next that is 18. So 1, and for 8 you have to show your this hand. Now this is 8. Okay, this is 18. And for this 29, show your 2 fingers in left hand, 20, and this is 9 for ones place. So that is 29. Okay, and next 15. So tens place, that is 1 and 5. 5 is your thumb finger. Do you remember that? So this is 15. Okay, and next number, that is 18. So 1 and 8. So that is 18. Okay, can you understand children? So this is a way to show your fingers and represent the number. Okay, let me move on to the next addition sums. Okay, let me do